been some damn heavy years, a flood of endless tears, been laying on the ground for too long, search for love everywhere.
I feel like my world is falling apart. I can't believe John broke up with me. Oh, Zoe, I'm so sad he broke up with you. Did he give you a reason? He said he didn't want to be tied down to one girl. We've been together for 7 months. I was so happy with him. I will call Jillian and ask her if she wants to come with us on a trip. We need to get you out of the house for a while. Hello? Hi, Jillian. This is Hayden. You won't believe what happened. Zoe's boyfriend, John, broke up with her. No way! I thought they were the perfect couple. We need to get her out of the house. She's going crazy. Let's go away for the weekend. Let's go to Georgetown. There's a great club there. I'll call her and book a hotel.
I got up on my knees, tried to make a change. Suddenly I began to feel alive. Slowly opened my heart to trust somebody again. This time I don't feel
I just want to say that you two are my best friends. Thank you for helping me get out of my funk. Excuse me while I go to the bathroom to freshen up.
Hello, would you like to dance?
Sure.
Hello there. Do you mind if I sit here?
Oh no, not at all.
Thank you. My name is Al. And you are?
Zoe.
What do you drink, Zoe? I will buy your next one.
Thank you. That's very kind of you. I will have a rum and coke, please. Ah, that tastes so good. My friends and I drove to Washington, D.C. to spend a few nights here, and we decided to come to Georgetown.
Yeah, I like to come here to unwind after work. Would you like to dance?
too hungry to eat out, too dressed up to stay in. I guess I could.
That was so much fun. Oh, I have to go. My friends ordered an Uber, and it is only a minute away.
Can I have your number? Maybe we can meet up again sometime.
I would like that. I don't know why you are looking at that girl, but you seem very preoccupied. I don't need to stand for this disrespect. Don't call me anymore. We are through. I am really enjoying my dinner. I really like you, Al. You are very nice and you treat me very well.
You are a wonderful woman. You deserve to be treated well.
John, what are you doing here?
I saw you at the restaurant last night and I haven't been able to stop thinking about you. I couldn't stand seeing you with that guy you were with. Zoe, I am sorry for how I treated you. Will you forgive me? Can you please be my girlfriend again?
You dumped me so that you could be with other women. You didn't care about how I felt at all. I will never go back to you. Now please leave. John just came by and wants to get back together. What? He is crazy. Yes. I don't want to see him again. I will tell Al that I need to be alone for a while too. I need to just focus on me. I just wanted to tell you what I'm feeling. Thanks for listening. Of course, that's what friends are for.